The European Parliament has finally agreed on a data protection regulation that will protect the privacy of Europeans. Joining us to discuss this is Manfred Weber. You're the EPP Group chairman. Mr. Weber, this came after years of negotiation. How does this balance, strike a balance between the interests of the individual and also encouraging the digital single market?
Well, digitalization is one of the key things for the future of our society and for our economy. That's why it is so important that Europe is now finalizing this data protection regime, because it is guaranteeing a European-wide base for how we think data protection and privacy. And that is guaranteeing, that is producing the single market and digital thing in Europe. That is one achievement. And the second one is that we clarify that everybody from an external point, the Googles and Facebook of this world, everybody who wants to earn money on the European market has to respect European rules of privacy. That is the second most important achievement, so we are happy.
Okay, and I think another reason this was being held up for so long was the question of law enforcement, correct?
Absolutely. On the one hand, privacy in the economy, in the private field, and on the one hand, data protection in all the things where state is active, where state is collecting data. And there we have the first time in the history of the European Union a general regulation how state must protect the data of the people, of the privacy of the people. When we have NSA, the behavior of the American friends, in mind, it's really a strong and good achievement that we have now clear rules how state must protect the privacy of the people.
And it's all about consent, isn't it? Consent for the average individual and also for children, right? That is part of the regulation.
The general idea is the data are mine. The data are belonging to me. And that's why everybody has to respect my decisions, whether I want to share data or not, whether I want to storage data or not. It's my decision. That is the principle behind the whole regulation. And I have the right to delete, even to be forgotten in the internet. That is also an achievement inside of the regulations. So that is the base for all the steps we did. And I think that is the idea of a free society.